everyone, welcome to Nailmas Day 6, and today I have this really fun kind of festive pattern-like look on my nails that I saw on wrapping paper. I don't even know where. I took a picture of it apparently in a store a few months ago, and I had it in my camera roll, and I thought I would turn it into some nail art today. It was probably Target, but you never know. So first off, I'm starting with like this really fun evergreen polish that is by Painted Phalanges, and it is called That Elf Sticker Says. And this polish is a new polish that is also in a swatch video that you guys will be seeing today on my YouTube channel. Whether it's already up, I don't know. It might be a nighttime video today, but if it is live, I will go ahead and link it down below. It's a really fun polish that is releasing soon, and it covers perfectly in 2 coats, as you guys can see here. Then once that is all dried and ready to go, I'm going to start doing some nail art on top. For this, I'm going to be using white acrylic paint and my favorite brush, the Orly short detailer brush that I'm always talking about. And for this, I'm going to start off with like one curved white line, and then I'm going to put 2 lines, curved lines I should say, coming out from each side. That will be kind of like the pine branches that you could, I guess that's what you would call them. Really, it's all a piece of a branch that has different offshoots like you would see on a normal pine tree or Christmas tree. And then I'm going to put some little lines going upwards off of each of those connections, I guess you could say. I guess this is also kind of hard to describe, but I'm going to repeat this all over the nail as you are seeing it happen now. I am going to speed through this a bit because this is a little, like, it takes a little bit of time. So if you want to do this as just an accent nail, you totally could. You don't have to do it as a full-on manicure like I did, but it does make for a really fun, kind of a very full looking design whenever you do it on all of your nails. But it's really simple, and I love using acrylic paint for it, but it is a bit time consuming. Then after that is all done, I'm going to go in with some red acrylic paint on a dotting tool, and I'm just going to put in some red dots here and there. Really, I don't know the purpose of these other than just to kind of fill in the negative space, or they could be like berries. Either way, it just kind of adds to the overall design and makes it look super festive. Once that is dried, I went ahead and topped everything with a matte top coat, or you could do shiny. It does look really nice shiny as well, as you can tell here before the matte dries down, but I did decide with a full-on matte look. So here is my final look. I really enjoyed this design. It was easy, a little time consuming, but worth it in my opinion. It's super festive and I just really love it. So there is day 6. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you back here for another new video very soon. Bye!